Hey foodies, welcome to Siddha Can Cook. Today's recipe is KitKat Milkshake. It is a very easy recipe, very chocolatey, and the taste of KitKat is very good. So let's start with it.
Take a blender jar or a juicer jar. Then add 1.5 cups of milk. This is full cream milk. 3 teaspoons of sugar for the sweetness. 4 sticks of KitKat. You can add more if you like it. Today we are making 2 cups of KitKat milkshake. Some vanilla ice cream, 3 scoops. You can use any ice cream you like. You can use chocolate also. Add some cocoa powder, 2 teaspoons. Sorry, I forgot to shoot it. You can add it as per your preference. After blending it, your KitKat milkshake is ready. Pour it in a glass. Then top it with some scum of the milkshake or some whipping cream or any stuff you like. Here is our KitKat milkshake ready. This is the second glass with some whipping cream. Thanks for watching. If you like the video and some simple and short recipes, then give the video a like. Share the video and subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon beside it to get notified as soon as I post my new video. Comment down below your thoughts and suggestions. Check out the description box for the ingredients and their measurements. Follow us on our Facebook page and Instagram account named as Siddha Can Cook. Thanks for watching. Goodbye and happy cooking.